In this episode, a dramatic pickup undergoes a turbocharged overhaul, with engineers explaining chassis mods, turbo choices, and the real dyno results. Interviews with a veteran fabricator and a performance tuner reveal the toughest welds, heat management, and the art of balancing power with reliability. Aerials show the mocked-up spoilers and suspension tweaks, while the team discusses weight reduction and aero efficiency. Enthusiasts share hands-on tips, including tool lists, budgeting, and common missteps that turn dreams into delays. The finale benchmarks the finished ride against on-road acceleration and track laps, underscoring craftsmanship and the thrill of extremes.